Brody made the score yet?
No. Pay attention.
I was over the back.
Have we guessed what?
I don't know. Home.
There you go.
It's going to be on that side closest to us. They've got 5. We have 0.
Stay with him, Isaiah.
Yeah, Carlos.
John's mom is over there.
Yeah, I see her now. How are you, ma'am?
It started early.
Yeah.
How early?
Well, not long ago. Coach Carlos just walked in.
Hi,
too.
girl.
Can you say hello? She keeps up with everyone. She said John's mom's over there.
Okay. Yeah, I was sitting in the car.
Well, I'm just sitting here, and I told David, I said, Brody forgot his shirt, his maid shirt. Everybody has theirs on, and I don't know where he brought 2 white shirts. I hope one of them. Like, everybody has on their shirts. Well, most of them.
Like Brody's hair, it's long.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Every time I take him to get it trimmed, he still comes out looking like, and I'm thinking, what have you done?
I wish Johnny had curly hair.
Oh man.
A lot of space.
Just been having all this back pain and
Did you guys come today? Did you guys come today?
yeah. We got here like at 5.
I think it's 5:30 or 6 when we got here, right? We actually took a nap.
Oh yeah, John did. I did too. I was tired.
Yeah.
Woo! Good job!
Oh, he's mad at me. I mean, usually they didn't start
done the last day we made today, but we made them tomorrow.
Yeah, we might. We're going to have to score today before we win.
Tony, was that a 2 or a 3? I want to see it. They only gave us 2. Was it a 3? throw a shoe up for it, man. That's it.
Well, we may not score.
I think Caleb talks to it.
I know.
Do we have five?
Like, I'm not used to that.
Mama, do we have five?
No, we have 2.
Have Brody scored yet?
It's only 2 to 7.
I know. I don't know who
We're
scored.
going to give this to John. We need to get started. He's been sleeping a lot.
Oh, really? He may be growing.
I know, but like,
Have Brody scored yet?
so is his attitude.
Mom, have Brody scored yet?
I don't know who scored. That's Daddy. I didn't.
I'm going to give this to Thiago to get him.
John, maybe? Was that John? Well, we got 2. We got 4 points.
Brody scored have a
I think John did. Oh, short. Come on, bro. Come on, Ross.
I didn't say hi to anybody.
Pick Brody's stuff out of the way if it's in your way.
Bring it up.
Come on, John. He shows please. He needs to get taken out.
Woo! Good job, John.
I almost want to
But it was
do a
4.
perm in John's hair.
Well, a lot of kids are doing
I
that.
know, I'm so jealous. Like, his hair is it's so straight. I don't think it would look good. Nice, nice.
Bryce.
Woo!
Good job, Bryce.
I did self-tanner. Look at totally missed.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about that. Nobody's going to
Like,
notice.
I have to, well, I was trying to, for church on Sunday.
Uh-huh.
I'm wearing a skirt, so I was like, I have to be kind of tan.
Uh-huh. Well, I wouldn't notice. Oh, you're fine. Nobody will notice.
Oh, that was nice.
him hydrate himself. Oh, Brody.
Thiago's not even
Woo!
Huh? Oh, there he is. There he is.
The water boy.
Drink it.
We have 11. We have 11.
Yes.
He got his braces off on Thursday.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is he thrilled?
Nobody noticed. I think Jackson's going to be much more excited to get hers off.
That's so funny. Well, now, Brody's supposed to have his off this summer, so maybe every time he goes, he tells everybody that they're coming off, and I'm like, I don't think he's told you that. But now he has said, hopefully by the summer.
That's my daughter. She was supposed to get, Jackson's supposed to get hers off before John. But her teeth aren't closing on the top. So John got him off first.
Well, I think there's a couple things that he's waiting on, and he goes over it with me, and I'm just like, whatever. You know, I'm not a dentist. I don't know.
Over here.
I know. Well, we're winning.
There you go. Okay, there it is.
All I need is one more.
Goodness. Rebound, guys! It's hard to rebound from the half-court line.
Keep slinging it. Keep slinging it.
Yeah, I don't know what that's about. Oh. Rebound! I'm fixing to go crazy.
Because I have clips of Johnny, you know, and I'm like watching it, I'm like, what is going on? It's very odd for a big man. It's like, I think like that's like trained into you.
Is it fair they have 3 coaches to 2 coaches?
Yeah. Oh, come on, Brody!
There you go.
Oh,
How many made one?
he had 3. He had 3. It wasn't 1, it was 3. When you shoot it all the way out here, you get 3 points.
Yeah, Johnny is growing because he usually grows from this point on until school starts. It's the weirdest thing.
That is so funny.
Every year it's just around this time.
He's like a little baby deer growing.
But he's like come home or like falling asleep in the car. Like on the
Really?
way home. And he goes to bed at 8:39. So like, I don't know. I've had it one day I woke him up just to eat dinner and he went back to sleep.
You don't think he like has mono or something? Do you?
No.
Because that really exhausts
I had
you.
mono when I was younger. His D3 was really low. Like he was having this symptom, but with headaches.
Right.
And so I took him to the doctor, and his D3 was like non-existent. So I might increase his D3 again. See if that helps.
Last year when Davy was in preschool, she kept strep for a while. Like she was constantly on it. And finally I was like, something is not right. Well, she had mono at that point.
Really?
Yeah. And
I mean, anything's possible.
I guess so. But no, she was pretty sick. We got all that out of our system. She's been better this year. School was a big shocker, you know. Lots of kids stay sick their first little go around.
And right now, allergies are so bad.
I know.
And so I don't know if maybe the allergies are.
And that
like,
may be it. He just doesn't feel good. And he's ran down. Playing ball would make you tired. Did you? No, it's right here at your bag. I don't know how I picked that back up. I'm so silly.
Hi, Mama. I get time, but that team, I'm thinking they will.
I hope they don't.
Yeah.
They're just up 2 points. No. Don't mess with that.
I forgot.
Oh, you turned this on. Good. Hold on. There. You can't turn that flash on. It'll blind the players.
I like cover up their faces.
No, it will be a shining light on the floor. The ref will stop and say, ma'am, why do you have your flash on? So embarrassing. Run that over to Brady. I'm just now realizing.
Where'd my thing go?
I don't know. You'll have to find it. You need to get down and look for it.
I'm just keeping up with them.
Half plate before you dribble. fake, opposite.
If you're over here, it's my dad on the score.
Pass fake.
Good job, John.
Pass fake. Hey, Ralph, call that travel. He's walking with the ball.
Do we have 15? Do we have 15?
Yes.
I'm just talking my face right now.
Okay, that's enough of that.
No.
Both of you are annoying. Good job, John.
I'm doing it because the other team is winning. Well, we're tied. Don't come
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. I don't know. I just think he's just got those 3 points.
Hey, hey, that's the way to hustle. Good job, man. Hey, keep hustling. Hey, hey, simplicity. Here we go.
This is my downtime.
I want to say I'm ready for bed. Just it's time to chill out.
Who's the new kid?
He's not here, I don't think.
Where all the people sitting?
Woo! Good job.
Kylie.
A Ben, a Lucas, and a Ben. They've been here.
What?
They've been here.
I just take this one.
Yeah. They just wasn't here. Ben was here last time, but Lucas and the other Ben were not. One was on vacation and one had a broken hand.
What?
One was Lucas had broken his hand, and the dark-headed Ben was on a trip.
Cut, Brody, cut. Cut.
Oh man, the day started out much warmer.
It was much warmer. It's supposed to be pretty tomorrow too. Huh, baby?
Are we home? Are we home?
Yes. Come on, bro. Woo! Good job. There's 3 more points. Brody did. Put another 3 down. For bro.
How many does he have now?
6. Good job, John. Yeah, they're getting on my nerves. You don't do that.
Why?
Because it's annoying. It's too late in the evening to be acting like such crazies. Woo! Oh, come on, come on! Get it.
Opposite, opposite, opposite.
Look down. Look down.
Woo! Good job, Caleb.
Shot, Caleb. Good decision, good decision.
Oh, come on, come on.
I think you at least want to make it up to 70 or 80 minutes.
Well, we've got 7 more minutes. I don't know that we're going to make it to 70 or 80.
How's your guys' hotel?
7 more?
It's okay. Where are you staying?
It's 4 Points.
Uh-huh.
Marriott. I don't know. I just went with Marriott. It's like 20 minutes from here.
40 minutes. 20. I thought, holy cow.
Yeah, I know.
What'd you say?
That residence is not very far at all. But last year, that's where we stayed. And it's one of those like extended stay places that are a little bit bigger, you know. And we all, in one space, we need a little bit bigger space.
I know.
We do better if we have a little bit more inches to the spot. So.
Why is sports even a thing? Why people get seriously angry when they do sports?
I know.
Nothing dance, anything. Ella had to be on a scooter for a while, I think, because of
Uh-huh.
what happened. I don't know. I think she slid or something.
It's not normal, Rose.
Good job, Bryce.
Woo! Good job.
Good play, Bryce.
Stop stomping. It's too late in the evening to be acting crazy.
It's a different
Oh, me. Let's go, White!
Are we at 57?
27. We're up, just up 6. It's anybody's ball game.
I mean, the kid fell, they had
See? Anybody
I thought, okay.
When he was about 12, I remember that this boy got injured, you know.
Uh-huh.
The ambulance had to come, and I was just saying Miss Everly.
Yeah, I remember that. At camp. At camp, Weston got hurt at camp, broke his arm.
I had to sit with Everly because we were over down there with the first day kid.
Yeah, yeah,
Everybody was actually.
yeah.
You sure Brody can't come play high school with us?
He would love to, I'm
How
sure.
amazing would that be? It's definitely far. Like further, like it's like Henderson.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, good foul. Don't worry about that. That's how you win. Let it down. Hey, there you go. Woo! There you go. Make your big one. Make him on him. Good job. Don't give him any credit.
We need to
Hey,
settle it down.
after he gets it, get it. Come on. Get back in it.
Woo! Good job, bro!
Hey, don't turn the other way, man. The wrong way. Get back, get back, get back. Brady, on it, on it.
Woo! Good job, man! Yeah.
Wait, what does Brody have now?
I don't even know how many points he has, baby.
Good job, Lucas! Look up! Look
Hey,
up!
DJ, take the ball from him.
Woo! Good job, John! Woo! Huh? Woo! Yeah, I did it loud. Oh, is that... I saw a light flash back at me and I thought, oh, great. I've been sitting here with that flash up.
They said he don't have anything to drink.
I gave him a water that had a few drinks in it. Here, hold that.
We don't do a very good job of getting a snack or a water before a game. We show up every time like it's brand new. It amazes me. Well, yeah, like I would if it was just every once in a while, but like it's every single game. If we play 3 games in a day, it's this.
He just had a little bit in it, but he had a drink.
I think my bracelet was more than me.
Yep, you had it pushed up too high. Scooted down.
You might be doing some walking tomorrow.
I know, yeah. Davey said a while ago, are we going to walk? And I said, maybe tomorrow, not tonight.
That's a good foul, Bill.
That girl's really taking the treadmill up there.
Yeah, she's taking it, isn't she?
What?
She's taking herself a run. I don't know if I ever feel that excited about things. It's okay, bro. I don't know what happened. Goodness. You okay?
Good job, Lucas.
There you go. Hey, here we go, fire. Hey, keep it going now. Keep it swinging. Keep it swinging. Back, get back. House, house. Our turn.
John.
Job, John.
That was good.
He's like a giraffe.
The yellow ones are the mangoes. They're pretty good.
That you like them? I don't like those tropical flavors. The tropical.
Chocolate flavors.
Tropical. Those are tropical, not regular.
Hey, keep on it, DJ. Keep on it. There you go. There you go. Hey, DJ, keep it up. Hey, DJ, keep on him. Keep on him.
Are those new shoes?
No. He got them.
So slippery.
I don't know. I have no idea.
Maybe we need that sticky
I don't know
board.
because you know he rubs around and makes sure everything's clean. He's super weird like that, so I don't know.
Now she's
Maybe
taking
he
a
did
walk.
it too.
I don't know.
Mama, now she's taking a walk.
Yeah, now she's settling it down.
Bob. There we go.
Why does it look like there's an invisible man right there? Oh, there.
I don't know.
Did you see it?
No? An invisible man?
Oh, yeah.
How would you see an invisible man?
Look at the basketball when you look out there.
Oh, yeah.
And look over there. It's invisible. Okay?
They're tired. We're so flat. You're in the car for 12 hours there. We didn't get a 3-hour lecture. Yeah. I mean, if I'm hey, that's it!
And then they break it and come back in.
Hey!
literally pushed his kidneys out of his body.
Let's go, bro! Take your time, John. You got it. Pretty sure he pushed him.
I'm pretty sure he did too.
How many mates? Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. You want to bet on how much you
That's
gonna
what I
bet?
said. No,
That's what I'm saying.
both
Both of them?
Yeah.
How much money you got in your purse, man?
Not enough.
Come on, 52,000. Oh! Man, what a great shot. They're a good team. They're a very good team.
You know, girls, sometimes it's just hard to put it
I know, I just don't understand. Who in the world?
I'm gonna go to the restroom.
Okay, enjoy yourself.
What?
He tried.
What?
Wow.
What is she going to do? What is she going to do?
He was talking about John's shot.
Anticipate, it's coming. Anticipate. Oh, great pass. Hey, AJ, y'all shoot quick. DJ, quick. Come on, go, let's go.
What was that Portugal boy's name?
I don't remember. CJ.
It's funny. Her shoe fell off. Why is she spanking the
to 31.